Hauntingly good ideas for a Halloween-ready yard. As the leaves turn gold and the breeze gets a chillier, it's time to embrace the excitement of Halloween. If you want to transform your yard into a spine-tingling spectacle that captures the spirit of the season, we've got some fantastic Halloween yard ideas that will have your neighbors talking and trick-or-treaters squealing with delight. Spooky decorations galore. Dive into a world of creepy outdoor decor. You can start by hanging faux spider webs from your trees and duo frames. Add some oversized spiders and skeletons for that extra fright factor. Don't forget to place eerie lights around your yard to create an otherworldly glow when the sun goes down, perfect for your haunted yard. Fall themes that intrigue. Incorporate classic fall themes into your Halloween decor. Think pumpkins, hay bales, and autumn leaves. A lovely pumpkin patch setup will not only add a festive touch, but is also ideal for a fun DIY carving session with family and friends. Light them up with candles or glowing lights to add that magical touch when night falls. Seasonal decor with a twist. Take your decorations up a notch by adding some whimsical elements like playful ghosts that sway in the wind, or charming moderations of classic Halloween characters. These elements provide a unique twist, ensuring your yard stands out from others' Halloween displays. Plus, they keep the environment friendly for younger trick-or-treaters who may be a bit spooked by the traditional scary stuff. Creepy outdoor setups. Create a scene that tells a story. From From a graveyard with tombstones to a witch's corner with bubbling cauldrons and dark potions, there's endless room for creativity. You can also include animatronic props that move or make sound effects, capturing the true spirit of Halloween and encouraging everyone to venture deeper into your haunted yard. Halloween inspiration from the community. Don't shy away from sharing your yard decorations on social media or even stepping outside to see what your neighbors are conjuring up. Looking for Halloween inspiration? Organize a yard tour within your community to exchange ideas and collaborate on everything from spooky lighting to creative stakeouts for your trick-or-treaters. So, gather your friends and family, get into the Halloween spirit, and let your imagination run wild with these Halloween yard ideas. Whether you're going for charming or chilling, the right combination of spooky decorations and seasonal decor can turn your yard into a Halloween wonderland. Get ready to welcome all the ghosts and goblins this October.